Alright, it is day 18 of Adventure Code. I am currently doing this from a PC bong in Korea. Um, but yeah, a few seconds to go. Here we go. Is there actually a grid here? No grid, just instructions and colors. Okay. So what we'll do... What does it actually need to do? Starts in a 1 meter cube hole. Oh, I see. As if from above. I see. These trenches also list the color of the edge of the trench. The edge. Loop of trench. Oh, I see. The edge. Dig out the interior. So are we ignoring the colors? I think we're ignoring the colors. There's a lava catapult. Okay. Okay, so this is just going to be a flood fill type thing. So shoot, I'm really slow to get into this. Okay. Is keep track of the current position. What we'll do is two. Okay, so now we have that. We're not using the colors right now, but that's fine. And now I think we're just going to flood fill this area. And there's one question of where to flood fill, but I propose we look at the first few, go left, and then we go up, and we go left. Okay, so I think that we'll start at left 5, up 4, left 3, down 4, left, left, up. I can't really figure out. I'll just pick a spot, and then if it... here, let's do... Wait, this is probably... Oh, wait, what? Pick something else.
Okay, then go on, but no friends. No
Okay,
friends.
cool.
And no building. No building like a crazy person. Martina, no. What did I do? Oh,
G, or otherwise.
why is this price keep popping at 20? Ow!
And then see if this goes forever. Okay, did not go forever.
No.
There's our answer. Maybe? Not the right answer. Okay. Oh. That was a silly bug. Set the add. Oh, what did I click? That was a bad misclick. Okay, it's taking forever, so let's go like opposite side, maybe? Okay. That's good.
No,
Still 28 seconds left. I should think about what to do with the colors. It's painting the edges. Hmm. What is it gonna ask? I do not know. How do I want to represent edges? I guess I could just represent them as like pairs of cells that they're between. Oh no. Okay. Right answer, rank 17. Okay. Much too small. It's about the color and the instruction. Oh boy. Oh, so, okay. That is extremely annoying now. So now, this is gonna be like a coordinate compression thing, most likely. Ugh. Um, okay, let's get all my chords. And then I'll do, so, first I'll do one pass where I do nothing. And so I won't do this. I'll just do, and then, okay, and then once we have this, now we have our coordinate compression. So X map.
Hey, you said no building. You said no building.
Okay.
Bro, can you stop using your chalk?
I'm so bad at coordinate compression. Okay, if we have like 0, 10, 14 as our distinct coordinates, then 0 should be a coordinate. We should compress all of this range into one coordinate, I think. So that'll be like 1 to 9 should be a single thing, 10, and then 11 to 13, and then 14. This is the best way to do that, I think. So what we do is, how do I do this? I'm so incredibly bad here. I guess for starters, this thing. I really have no idea how I'm gonna do this though. Alright, and then we do the same thing.
Bro, Peter, stop using.
And now we still do this. I think everything else is the same. Whoa, I'm losing track of my code. Okay. Right here. So now what we do. Okay, so yeah, let's actually do it explicitly like this. So we'll label our cells with, but then it's annoying to like find the. I do not know how I'm gonna do this. I have my X.
No building.
I mean, the whole thing is just included, right? No, I'm worried because if I go like down, then here, and I go across, like I care about where the grid cell is, so this is like very annoying. Okay, I think here's what I'm gonna do is, let's do. Then Let's just do. This can be our translation, I guess. And then, oh my god, doing this extremely slowly. And then do this. So it's set. It looks fine. And then the question is, we need a reverse map too. And when we get this, we know the start, we know the end. Okay, so what we do, start x is equal to cx, start y, cy, and x is equal to cx plus dx times x, and y, cy plus dy times y. And then what we'll do is, if we just do start x, oops, so mapped msx, x map start x, start y, end x, x map end x, y map end y, x in range x and x plus 1. Only one of these loops will actually be doing anything. Start y and y plus 1. G.add xy. And then cx, cy will be end x and y. So we get that now. Yeah, okay. Now I can still do this probably. But now I'm going to need to, whoops, y map start y. How is that possible? Whoops. X coordinates. Why? Why is that happening? Whoops. Wait, no, yeah, why is that happening? We should have 0. So we should have zeros in the X map. It's not in the Y map. Am I not popular in the Y map? Oh, I'm so bad. I got lucky, if anything, there. Y chords. How is that happening? Okay. Somehow this is not in the Y map. Oh, but I want this. But I'm still confused. So these are the mapped versions. We should know that we hit this coordinate. So I'm a little confused. I mean, I'm not using these. That's obviously a bug, but I don't think that was the actual bug, you know? Yeah. Okay, well, that's clearly the issue. Oh, I'm not even swapping the thing right now. I clearly need to do that. But that's, again, not the issue. So confused. What is the very first instruction has dir x call. Dir x call. We should be going 5. Dx dy. So start x. X. How is that happening? And y is cy plus dy times. Oh my god. Silly bug. Okay, but also this does need to be int of base 16. And also up here, we need to do that. Okay, so that works. This is not working. Let's try like another side. I think it's just growing indefinitely. Well, it's because of this. It's why am I so bad at identifying a point inside of the interior? It's only ever growing. Doesn't seem right. Okay, but also this like should one of these should be in here, right? Like this should definitely be in here. It's not. That assert is not hitting. Why is this not hitting? Because these are the mapped coordinates. Oh my god, I'm doing something incredibly wrong here. This should be inclusive on both sides. Oh, I'm doing the mapped. Oh shoot. Okay, let's do x map of 0, y map of 0. This should then fail. It's still not failing. Does that even make sense? I guess it probably does. So the first thing we added was this 845. But we should be starting at 0, 0, right? Yeah, I think so. So then, oh my god. Wait, no, this should be XY. It should be MSX, MSY. The very first thing we add is 845, 59. It's not 845. Why not? Start X, CS. This should be. These are the raw coordinates. That checks out. Start X, start Y. It's X, that's Y. Or X, Y. And wait, what? We didn't hit this? MEY plus. Oh my god. This needs to be 1 if it's plus 1 greater than x. Nice. It's also a stupid bug. To be honest, though, I definitely have missed leaderboard here. What? Oh, it hit the while true without hitting the print? The DX shouldn't change, right? Okay. My variable names are being so cluttered. So I had a bug here. I was not adding to the I was not adding to the thing at the end here. Again. Okay. But we keep it in the raw coordinate space. Is that what I'm doing? That's what I'm doing. So many bugs in here. The assert should fail. Okay, assert is failing. Thank you. Let's do like something like this. Oh my god, I keep hitting that by accident. I don't even know what key combo that is. Okay, it's like infinite. Let's go diagonal. Also seems infinite to me. Shoot. I'm just getting super unlucky, or do I have a bug? Well, this time it's just going. Okay, well, G should have the compressed coordinates.
I'm trying to kill Franklin.
Oh. Wait, what? How did we get up to here without hitting this? Oh, it's because we're adding... Wait. Yeah, I have no idea. Wait, this seems like way too big, right? Probably. Were the others fine? Maybe I just let this go. This queue is also growing really fast. Why did the other one not hit any of the prints though? Is this even the right approach? It must be. This like coordinate compression thing. His leaderboard like capped. Yeah, leaderboard's already capped. Okay. Ah, it's 22 minutes. It didn't cap too long ago. But... Oh man, that's sad. Yeah, I still don't really know what I'm doing here. Interesting. Okay, my way of figuring out what is like on the interior is terrible. Okay, I kind of do want to. Um. Okay, I would like to just sort of print this. I have more time now because leaderboard's full. So let's do like print G. Then let's do. Well, for starters, oopsies. Okay, that's big, but maybe printable. No, it's like 1,000 lines, right? I can't really print that. I guess I'll try anyways. Just to sanity check this. Let's do.
I got him.
Um, y max y plus 1, except this is the length of the line, so let's just do min y plus 100 or so.
Idiot.
Don't kill me.
I'm
Maybe not all of that. Well, I kind of do want to see all of it, but whoa. Oh, should be min.
If you slap me, idiot.
Huh. I feel like I should not be seeing nothing here. Oh, maybe I should be seeing nothing. I'm only printing like one corner of the bounding box. Let's do like the middle Y or something. Let's do like mid Y.
Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That. Okay, I can see something. That's good. Yeah, this is a large area to fill. I see now kind of what the issue is. Oh! Oh, this is just one big loop, right? Oh, okay, I have a simpler approach then. And this is like a shoelace formula approach. Okay. So... yeah. Let's nuke all this code, basically, and try something different. Because I do have a new idea for what I want to do now. So what I'd like to do, care about the area, yeah, I could just do following. I'll rewrite this. Dir, I don't care about that anymore. X. And then I have that. And then, yeah, it's definitely not coordinate. Well, I kind of wonder if the coordinate compression approach would work. I guess I blew it up by a factor of like 9 by doing the, like, -1 and +1. So I like tripled each coordinate, and then that means like 9xing. But anyways, I'm pretty confident this approach will work. So now what we're going to do, let's do, so I still want to keep track of my current boards. Still want this. Okay. Yeah, that was bothering me. Just the highlighting, because there is a built-in. Okay, and then now we are just going to
Don't think about your proper act.
I'll just use a slightly nicer variable naming since I'm like not going for leaderboard anymore. CY. Okay, and now I think we just compute the area with shoelace formula.
Idiot.
Okay. So I could have done this while I was iterating, but I'm kind of lazy. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Zip forwards with itself. I do want to end up at the original location. I think I already do, but I'll just do this again anyways. This does rely... I think this relies on this being a loop. Maybe it works even if it's not a full loop, but we'll worry about that later. Okay. And then to the area we add just that. And then when we're done, we need to worry about the corner. Each coordinate likely change directions. These always change directions. Let's just assert that they never change directions. This is not the right number, but we'll make it the right number momentarily. Oops. Okay, let's not do this part because I don't want to be afloat. Oh, that is a number. Oh, it should be a massive number, right? Cool. And then it should be even, yes. Area. Should it be even? Worry about that later. Okay, well, this is important that this never triggered. This means every point we see is a corner. And what that means, so I think we need to add in, like, imagine we're drawing a line through the middle of the cell. Then what we need to add is half a unit area per regular thing. So
아니 근데 나랑 좀 다르네. 얘는 밟은 거리밖에
I gotta track the perimeter of this thing. So we'll do like corners, and then lines, and corners just increases by 1 here. I think we might need to subtract 1 at the end, but I'll worry about that later.
지우야 너랑
And then lines will be, if we're moving a distance of like 5, then 1 and 5 are the corners, and the middle 3. So it should be just -1, or -2, oops. And then the area, we're gonna add lines times 0.5. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna worry about the floating point stuff not working out later. So we had half for the lines. For every corner, we need to add in. We need to add in 3/4 for the first 4 corners, and then every other corner cancels out. So it's 0.5 times the remaining corners -4. But I think that, yeah, okay. But this might be wrong because we might have extra counted a corner. Oh, maybe we didn't. Oops. That seems right. Like this is an even number, so that seems okay to me. So I am going to do. So this is just 3. And then we can multiply everything by 0.5, or by 2, and divide by 0.5 at the end.
야
So we can get rid of this, get rid of this. These both double. And then we get a number. I think that's the answer. Let me try it. Not the right answer. Okay. Not too surprising, because I have no clue if I did this right. But for starters, let's get the old distance back. Let's see if this gives the right answer. It should not, probably. Okay, it's a little bit off. And what was the raw area here when we were done? We didn't cross, did we? If we crossed ourselves, that'd be... I think this approach is doomed. But it seems unlikely we crossed ourselves. So what was the raw area?
아우가야. 아우 가. 아우야.
Let's try with a simpler thing. Go like right 3, down 3, left 3, up 3. This is extremely simple. I'll just put some garbage here. Actually should not be garbage. This is just the same under both approaches. Okay, and what does our grid look like here? I guess I'm not tracking that anymore, so, but I could just draw it out. So we should, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it should be a 4x4x4 grid, I'm pretty sure. Which means that it should be 16 as our answer. We're not getting 16, so clearly that was the problem. What's going on? Corners, lines. Lines is 4. 2. Oh, that's wrong. Right? Oh, it should be -1. Yeah. Definitely should be. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's because I forgot that when you move 3, your side length is actually 4. That makes sense. And then, yep, we get the correct old answer. Okay. Cool. And then that, if we tell it to use the correct thing, we should get our right answer. No! Not the right answer. Oh, that is very sad. Back to the drawing board. Let's see. Guess I can try these instructions and see what the sample gives me. I didn't watch this, did I? No, I'm not using oldest anyway, I don't think. Oh, well. If I did do this, oh, that's pretty off. It's quite wrong. We should never cross ourselves here, right? I guess I can't look at this to figure out. I guess I'll just start by doing this again. Just the same check. Yeah, okay, it does still work there. I really hope this doesn't like self-intersect itself. I almost want to uncomment my old coordinate compression thing, just to see it paint the area. Okay, so this component is even. So clearly, so lines is not even? How is that possible? I think for us to end up at the same spot, what do we need? It must be even, right? Because there's like the left component and the right component. Well, this sort of assumes that we end up back at... Oh, no. Do we end up back at the start? Oh, we very much do not. Well, that's probably why. That would definitely cause an issue. Do we just never get back to the start? Back to like 0, 0? Do we go past? Did I misread? Oh, I did misread. How did it? Okay, yeah. Well, let's fix that one up. Okay, and there is going to be the first 5, and then the last one is equal to R if, I guess I'll just do okay, and then oh, This code is such a mess. Okay, we ended back at 0-0. That's good. Okay. Alright, get rid of these prints. And now we get a number that looks correct.
쿠폰 시간 30분 남았습니다.
There's a number. Okay, rank 603. Oh, that's brutal. Okay. I wonder if the coordinate compression thing actually worked. I feel like... Well, I guess if I'd read the instructions right and written this the first time, like for part 2, I think it would have been doable. I do wonder if anyone did something that's not this. Because I thought this was kind of a... like, not super obvious to come up with. And it also relies on it being like a closed loop, which is not something I think you can easily check. I don't know, I guess I'm just curious. But this is still a pretty good performance on part 1, so definitely reasonably happy with today. Cool. Yeah, I might explain this like type of approach in a future video because this whole thing of like using the shoelace formula and adding
30분 남았습니다.
adding stuff back in. Because I think it is kind of interesting, but I unfortunately do not really have time to explain it right now. But cool, that is all I have for day 18. I will see you tomorrow.